Still plenty of volatility with stocks and bonds this past week. What's been the effect on Portland's real estate market? Let's jump right into our local real estate stats and trends. I'm Milligan, and I'm happy to bring you the latest in stats and trends for the Portland metro real estate market. The sample we're looking at is the full Portland metro area, including Southwest Washington. As always, if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section and I will get back to you ASAP. The average sale price came in lower than the previous week's high, and once again we landed pretty much flat compared to last year at this time, about 0.5% lower. It looks like we're continuing March's trend of downward pressure on sale prices. Last month, the average sale price was up only about 1.9% compared to March of 2024. So far in April, we're coming in only about 1.2% higher than last year at this time. Do keep in mind that right now we're looking at real estate sales that were agreed to about 3 to 6 weeks ago. So we're probably still not seeing the results of deals that went under contract during the financial turmoil of the last couple of weeks. So let's talk about supply. The number of homes that hit the for sale market this week was down from last week's high number. But week after week, we're still seeing more homes hit the market than last year at this time, and that's by a pretty good margin. And on the other side of the supply and demand equation, buyer demand has been pretty much even Steven for about 4 or 5 weeks now. It is good to see that the numbers aren't dropping like a rock, but it's also at a time when we should be seeing a weekly rise in the number of purchase contracts agreed to by buyers and sellers. So that's something to keep an eye on. Mortgage rates are back to about 6.625% for the 30-year fixed mortgage in the Portland metro area. That's the best case scenario on the best rate I could find on Thursday. And that's about right where we were before all of these financial ups and downs of the last couple of weeks. As always, I'll check rates on Friday morning and put that right over here. If it's not there, then check in the comment section below. We did see an increase in the number of bank-owned properties on the active market this week. In fact, I believe that this is a new high for our post-COVID market. But that being said, this is still no 2008. We're talking about a total of 117 foreclosure and pre-foreclosure homes on the market out of more than 9,000 active and pending listings. I haven't seen any big spikes in the number of notices of default, which is that first step in the foreclosure process. And I suspect that the bank-owned homes that are currently hitting the market, right now, are from more than a year ago, given Oregon's new mandatory mediation requirements. So what we're seeing right now on the foreclosure market is not the result of recent activity, but from something that happened more than a year ago. This week, we got another better than expected jobs report, and Fed Chairman Powell said on Wednesday that the markets remained orderly even if they were struggling with a lot of uncertainty. This led some analysts to believe that the Fed is in no hurry to cut rates, at least not yet. And that's a wrap for this week. As always, if I missed anything or if there's something specific that you'd like to know, please drop a note in the comment section and I will follow up. For now, have a great weekend and I will see you right here next week.